Welcome to the world of innovation and technology. There are countless cool and innovative gadgets you can buy easily from Amazon. Link in the description, you can check it. Number 10. The TCL RayNeo X2 is a cutting-edge smartphone that combines advanced features with a sleek design. Its stunning 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display. The RayNeo X2 delivers vibrant colors and crisp visuals, making it a delight to watch videos, play games, and browse the web. Powered by a powerful octa-core processor and ample RAM, this phone offers smooth performance for multitasking and seamless app usage. X2 also boasts an impressive camera setup, with a triple-lens rear camera system that captures stunning photos and videos with excellent clarity and detail. Its AI-powered features, such as night mode and portrait mode, enhance the overall photography experience. The phone also has a large battery capacity and supports fast charging, ensuring that you can use it all day without worrying about running out of power. Number 9. The chargetreego is a versatile and convenient wireless charging pad that provides a seamless charging experience for multiple devices. Designed with a sleek and compact form factor, the chargetreego is perfect for use at home, in the office. It features a 3-in-1 charging design that can wirelessly charge your smartphone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, eliminating the need for multiple charging cables and clutter on your desk or nightstand. For enthusiasts, campers, and adventurers in mind, the Blade offers a powerful and efficient solution for charging and powering your devices off the grid. With its sleek and modern design, the Blade is easy to carry and transport, making it a convenient choice for outdoor activities or emergencies. It features a lithium iron phosphate LiFePO4 battery, which offers a longer lifespan and higher thermal stability, and improved safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. The Blade also offers multiple charging options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC ports, allowing you to power a wide range of devices, such as smartphones, laptops, cameras, and even small appliances. Number 8. JBL 1300X speakers are a powerful and high-quality audio solution that delivers immersive sound for an enhanced listening experience. With their sleek and modern design, the 1300X speakers are not only aesthetically pleasing but also engineered to provide impressive audio performance. These speakers feature a 3-way design with a 12-inch woofer, a 5.25-inch mid-range driver, and a 1-inch tweeter, providing wide frequency response and clear sound across the entire audio spectrum. Number 7. The minifoldabledrone is a compact and portable unmanned aerial vehicle that offers an exciting and convenient way to capture stunning aerial footage and explore the world from a new perspective. Designed with portability in mind, this drone is foldable, making it easy to carry and transport in your pocket or backpack. Despite its small size, the minifoldabledrone comes packed with features, including a high-definition camera for capturing photos and videos, altitude hold for stable flight, a headless mode for easy navigation, and one-key takeoff and landing for simplicity in operation. The minifoldabledrone is also equipped with intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me mode, Waypoint mode, and gesture control, allowing for creative and dynamic aerial shots. The drone is powered by a rechargeable battery that provides decent flight time, and it can be charged conveniently via USB. Number 6. Portable mini fridges are powered by either AC or DC power sources, making them compatible with wall outlets, car adapters, or even solar panels, depending on the model. They are also designed with energy efficiency in mind, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. With their portability and convenience, portable mini fridges are a practical and reliable solution for keeping your food and beverages at the right temperature. A security alarm lock is a device that provides an added layer of protection to secure your belongings and provide peace of mind. It typically consists of a lock mechanism combined with an alarm system that is triggered when tampered with or when unauthorized access is detected. Security alarm locks are commonly used to secure doors, gates, bicycles, motorbikes, and other valuable items. The lock mechanism is usually made of durable materials such as steel, making it resistant to tampering and theft attempts. The alarm system is designed to emit a loud siren, usually at 100 decibels or higher, when triggered, alerting you and others in the vicinity to potential theft or intrusion. Some security alarm locks also come with additional features such as motion sensors, vibration sensors, or keyless entry options for enhanced security. Number 5. A mini electric screwdriver is a handy and efficient tool that makes screwing and unscrewing tasks quick and easy. These compact screwdrivers are designed to be portable and lightweight, allowing for convenient use in tight spaces, such as electronics, appliances, furniture, and other small items. Mini electric screwdrivers typically come with a rechargeable battery and a motor that provides ample power for driving screws with minimal effort. They usually feature a variety of interchangeable bits that can accommodate different screw sizes and types, making them versatile for various applications. Some mini electric screwdrivers also come with additional features such as adjustable torque settings, LED lights for better visibility in dark areas, and reverse rotation for removing screws. Mini electric screwdrivers are a must-have tool for anyone who deals with frequent screwing tasks and wants a reliable and efficient solution for their everyday needs. Number 4. Smart Self-Balancing Electric Personal Vehicle. It is powered by an electric motor and can reach speeds of up to 15 mph 24 km per hour with a range of up to 15 miles 24 kilometers on a single charge, depending on the model. ERMO vehicles typically come with features such as LED lights for increased visibility and a smartphone app for tracking and controlling the vehicle, and adjustable handlebars for comfortable riding. The vehicle is also equipped with regenerative braking, which helps to extend the battery life and increase efficiency. One of the unique features of ERMO is its self-balancing technology, which allows riders to easily control the vehicle by shifting their body weight, making it intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. The ERMO vehicle promotes sustainable mobility as it produces zero emissions and helps to reduce traffic congestion and parking challenges in urban areas, providing a fun and eco-friendly way to navigate through busy city streets. Number 3. The ecoflowblade is a lightweight and compact portable power station that provides a reliable and eco-friendly source of power for various applications. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and adventurers in mind, offers a powerful and efficient solution for charging and powering your devices off the grid. With its sleek and modern design, the blade is easy to carry and transport, making it a convenient choice for outdoor activities or emergencies. It features a lithium iron phosphate LiFePO4 battery, which offers a longer lifespan, higher thermal stability, and improved safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. The blade also offers multiple charging options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC ports, allowing you to power a wide range of devices, such as smartphones, laptops, cameras, and even small appliances. It can be recharged using solar panels, wall outlets, or car chargers. The blade also comes with advanced safety features, such as overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, short-circuit protection, and temperature protection, ensuring the safety of your devices and the power station itself. With its impressive power capacity and eco-friendly LiFePO4 battery, the ecoflowblade is a reliable and sustainable power solution for outdoor adventures, camping trips, or emergency situations, helping you stay connected and powered up wherever on letter 1F92 you go. Number 2. A security alarm lock is a device that provides an added layer of protection to secure your belongings and provide peace of mind. It typically consists of a lock mechanism combined with an alarm system that is triggered when tampered with or when unauthorized access is detected. Security alarm locks are commonly used to secure doors, gates, bicycles, motorbikes, and other valuable items. The alarm system is designed to emit a loud siren, usually at 100 decibels or higher, when triggered, alerting you and others in the vicinity to potential theft or intrusion. Some security alarm locks also come with additional features such as motion sensors, vibration sensors, or keyless entry options for enhanced security. Number 1. A 9-in-1 multifunction pen is a versatile and practical writing instrument that offers multiple functionalities in a single pen body. These pens are designed with multiple tips or attachments that can be interchanged to perform different tasks, making them a convenient tool for various writing, drawing, and functional purposes. Typically, a 9-in-1 multifunction pen includes different color ballpoint pens, mechanical pencils, stylus tips, highlighters, and even built-in rulers or levels. 9-in-1 multifunction pen. You can have multiple writing tools at your fingertips, eliminating the need to carry around multiple pens or pencils. Whether you need to write, draw, sketch, highlight, or measure, a 9-in-1 multifunction pen can be a practical and space-saving solution that offers versatility and convenience for a wide range of tasks. That concludes our list of the top 10 cool smart gadgets for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content.